Everyone loves chocolate chip cookies and everyone loves cake. Let's smash them together into a chocolate chip cookie cake. This is naturally gluten-free and super healthy because what we're gonna do in here for the fat content is white beans. Any bland white bean like a chickpea or a white bean would work for this. You'll never know it's in it. We're gonna put pretty much everything into our food processor. So we'll start with the beans. A cup of quick oats. You could also take rolled oats and just pulse them down a little bit. A cup of dates. These are nice and squishy and soft, but if they're hard, just soak them in hot water for a few minutes before. 3/4 of a cup of plant milk of your choice. And then we have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 a teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of vanilla. And then here I'm using a ripe banana. You could also use a 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce. Let's just do we do the food processor dance, which doesn't help anything, but I like to do it. Yeah, if it's a little clumpy, that's okay. It can be a bit of a rustic cake here. I'm using a silicone baking sheet here, a round one. If you don't have silicone, you'll just want to lightly grease the edges. But what's great about this is that I don't need to put any extra oil inside of it or on top of it. It'll just bake inside there nicely. So you see, there's still some chunks in there with the dates, but that is okay. It's gonna be awesome. And now the most important part that makes it the chocolate chip. Dairy-free chocolate chips. I got about a 1/2 cup in here. At this point, if you wanted to add some nuts or anything else, this is a good time to do it. If you want to cut down on the sugar and you don't want to have chocolate chips in here, this is also amazing with just dried fruit. The trick with this is just to get a nice flat mixture across so it bakes evenly throughout. We're gonna bang the pan real quick. So that helps to flatten it all out and makes it nice and even. We're gonna bake this for 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I let this rest for about 15 minutes before taking it out of the silicone mold, and it is good to go. So slice this up in, I like to do about 8 slices, but I mean, I'm not gonna tell you how to cut your cake. You wanna eat this whole thing in one bite, go ahead. But this makes probably about 8 servings for, you know, a regular person who's cutting it up. Yeah, you get to see the chocolate chips inside there. It looks like a big slice of cookie, but who cares how it looks? Let's see how it tastes. It's creamy like a cake, but it's got that delicious soft cookie element to it. Not only is this a super healthy dessert, but it's packed with protein from those white beans. So you can eat this more or less guilt-free, even though there's chocolate chips in it. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Do a couple sit-ups and smash one of these in your face.